the moment your body feels anxiety or stress, it immediately responds like a saber-toothed tiger is behind it about to eat it. So your body is having this visceral, my life is in danger. And your body cannot discern between a small stressor and a big stressor. It's my life is in danger. And so that means that if you get an email from someone who's upset, your body is going to respond, my life is in danger. It cannot differentiate. If somebody truly attacks you, your body is going to respond the exact same way to the snarky email that it is going to respond to a physical assault. And so if we consciously know that your body responds to stress the exact same way, it puts a very different frame on stress. Stress is really damaging. It is really exhausting because your body is going to emit the same amount of energy because of the email with saber-toothed tiger or the attack. And so what is, from my perspective, an energetic solution? Step one, the moment your body feels the stress, the trigger, the upsetting scenario, doesn't matter how small or big, because it's all big, doesn't matter. You, so rider, immediately hold a safe container and go, oh my God, my body just got stressed. Saber-toothed tiger, email, or text, or phone call, or mean words from somebody. Body, you just felt a saber-toothed tiger. You just felt like your life was in danger. Because the body can't discern social threat from physical threat, emotional threat from physical threat. And your body's going to go, yeah. And then you, as the etheric being riding in the body, can empathically feel your body. And you would say, body, and you just want to either run, hide, or fight. So you can feel your body's response. And the body's response is going to be different depending on situations. So your body might respond to an email, a not nice email, just wanting to run away. Your body might respond to somebody standing in line who turns around, it's like calls you something not nice. Your body might want to fight and punch them in the face. Your body might want to freeze when someone close to you says something not nice. So we've got that fight, flight, or freeze. And the most important piece for you as the conscious soul rider to start doing, the moment your body feels stressed, is you validate your body's experience. And you're like, body, you just got really stressed. And body, you either want to fight, flight, or freeze. You want to run, you want to hide, you feel frozen, you're terrified, and you feel like your life is in danger. And you're waiting for your body to go, yeah. And then you, as the conscious soul rider, feel into, what do you think your body is really wanting? Because again, you're empathically feeling your body. And body, you just want to be loved. You just want to be safe. You just want to be cherished. You just want to be supported. What is it your body is wanting? And validate that. And this is the process for getting your body, like walking your body off the ledge, the stress ledge. And the more you practice it, the faster it will get. You'll be able to do it within 30 seconds to 2 minutes, depending on the stressor. So you identify the need. Body, you just want to be safe, to be supported, to be connected, to be loved, to be cherished, to be respected, to be appreciated, to be honored. Identify the need. Yes. Wait for the yes in the body. And or your body might like relax its shoulders, might take a deep breath. That's the body's yes. And then you say, body, you're in the physical dimension, but you're also a multidimensional being. Your body forgets that it is a multidimensional being every single day. It's like 40 first dates, but it's more like 30,000 first dates. Body forgets it has access to these other dimensions, especially when it gets triggered. Body, you're a multidimensional being. You exist in another dimension. You also exist in the physical dimension, but in another dimension. Could you craft an environment for yourself where your needs are getting met? And then you, soul rider, are witnessing your body in another dimension, getting its needs met in a really supportive, empowering way, where it is honoring itself more. It is amplifying a current of safety in its own divine cosmic loop. It is shielding itself, protecting itself, taking total personal responsibility for deeply valuing itself. It doesn't need that from another. Then your body is using every single stress moment as its evolutionary process, as its awakening process to become a more evolved, awakened, connected, conscious, self-actualized being. And so if you're on the stress loop and every single day you get stressed and anxious, start using these steps. Conscious soul rider, walk your body through the steps of validating the experience, validating the need, witnessing another dimension, encouraging your body to start getting its needs in that other realm. More. And then begin reflecting that down to itself here. And you can use this process with anything that stresses you. It might be finances. It might be beloved partner. It might be a relationship that's contentious. It might be a situation where someone is really unhappy with you and they're insulting you, attacking you, and it might be silent. You might kind of feel like, oh, they're not happy with me and I can feel it. Body will respond in a stress response. Go through this process, and then you're growing, learning, and evolving, and using the stress response as a mechanism for evolving, which then actually decreases the stressors because your body just keeps getting stronger and stronger and stronger. And you, soul rider, can do it as well. All the processes that you walk your body through, model that to your body. And then you balance and stabilize, update your grids, all your reference points, all ways in which you perceive.